Have you ever seen the blood drop weapon in TV shows? Its destructive power is truly impressive, and it left me curious. It's fascinating because it doesn't have any electrical components, but still manages to spin. Amazing, right? But in real life, there's something equally intriguing, a tool that flies away and then returns on its own. It's the boomerang, a favorite among many enthusiasts. We all know that if you throw a stone or a piece of wood, no matter how far it goes, it won't return to its starting point. But the boomerang is different. Not only does it fly a distance, but after making a large arc, it returns to the hand of the thrower. Many people are captivated by this sport, but have you ever wondered about the science behind it? Boomerangs are usually made from a solid piece of wood, but their edges are not straight. They have a specific curvature, similar to the wings of an airplane. This unique shape helps it generate lift through aerodynamics, allowing it to fly outward and then come back. As it flies, the boomerang continuously spins, and the difference in pressure between its two sides gives it the energy to keep flying. This spinning action is similar to a gyroscope. When you spin a top, it rotates continuously in one spot. The boomerang, as it spins through the air, acts in much the same way. Instead of continuing to fly straight, it curves in a large circle, eventually returning to the thrower's hand, thanks to its spinning and the forces acting on it. Boomerangs have been around for centuries. They were initially used by hunters to catch prey, but over time, they became a popular sport. Today, some countries even hold annual boomerang competitions, attracting many enthusiasts. However, throwing a boomerang isn't as simple as it seems. You need a certain technique mastering the throwing force and the angle so that it can smoothly return to your hand. Finally, always remember to play with your boomerang in an open area to avoid harming others. If you found this content interesting, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos.